Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video, this time of AEW Series Unmatched Collection Series 1, Darby Allin. Sorry, I was just so used to saying Unrivaled Series or whatever. But yeah, it's Darby Allin with a TNT title and a skateboard that says the face of TNT. And his likeness in the front, his image in the front, his picture. Not much going on the side except for the logo of AEW, which is really cool. It's one side of the packaging and another part of his likeness here. It's the other side of the packaging with Darby Allin's face. This, you guys, is the back of this packaging. Wow. Alright, and this is the back of the packaging with Darby Allin riding a skateboard. Says this is his faux signature here. It's from Full Gear, November 7, 2020 in Jacksonville, Florida. And these are the other figures. There's a Cody Rhodes, which was like a LJN type figure. Dustin Rhodes, Dr. Britt Baker, earlier version of her anyway. Miro, and then this Darby Allin and Kenny Omega, the man. Alright, and Darby Allin comes with this TNT championship with the black strap. Wow, I have the one with the red strap that comes with the AEW the figure belt pack, the 4-pack, the figure belts, but I didn't have the black one until now, the one with the black strap until now. This is a beautiful looking TNT championship, and I really love this, you guys. Darby Allin skateboard. This is sick. I really love this. Oh my god. And it has his, oh my god, his likeness in the back. I love this, man. It's like those tech deck skateboards, like back in the day, like those fingerboards. You just skateboard with your fingers and stuff. But yeah, this skateboard's around, man. With all the other vehicles here. Alright. Okay. And here is Darby Allin out of the packaging. And of course this needed the plastic wrap from staining. But yep, here is Darby Allin. And look at his face, man. He looks sad. He really does. But that's part of his character. That's part of his on-screen persona. Yeah, he's got the face paint. He's got the body paint. He's got the, I guess, shorts with the black tights underneath. And the, I believe he wears Doc Martens. Very cool figure, man. Love this Darby Allin. I'm going to remove the jacket so he's ready to wrestle and coffin drop somebody, you know. Alright, I got the plastic sleeves off. Of course, these are to prevent paint from smudging and stuff. Yeah, and here is Darby Allin without the jacket. Really cool. I guess those are his tattoos, huh? And you just go and awesome figure, man. Alright, and here is Darby Allin fully posed and out of the packaging with the skateboard and the TNT Championship. Just gonna fix the head a little. But yeah, I really like the design on this figure, man. It's all really looking nice. Alright, so this is Darby Allin's face scan. This is his body mold with the body paint and everything. If you want to take a look without the jacket. He's got painted fingernails too. That's wild, the detail and everything. Alright, here is Darby Allin posed with CM Punk. An AEW CM Punk figure and a WWE Jeff Hardy figure. I don't have Sting as of yet. I'm going to get Sting. I heard there's a new Sting coming out, so I'm waiting for that one. But I might get the Sting that's already in existence in the AEW line. Who knows? Alright, you guys, this is me posing Darby Allin and with a little coffin drop action. Let me just put the skateboard here. Or here, I don't know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. If you guys would like to leave a like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. Thank you for watching my recent unboxing of AEW's Darby Allin. There'll be more unboxings and vlogs in the future. There's way more to come. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.